Welcome to online classes Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan Anantapuramu. I am Y Veeravani, Physical Science CRT, KGBV Gutti. Children, yesterday 8th class 4th lesson is completed. Today I teach the lesson 8th class Physical Science second lesson friction. Children, what is friction? Types of friction. Today I discuss with you. First of all, what is friction? We have learned about various types of forces in the chapter force. What is force? Types of force. We know previous lesson. We also have learned about the force of friction. Importance of friction in our day-to-day life. What is friction? Friction opposes the relative motion between two surfaces in contact. It acts on both the surfaces. Types of frictions, children. Types of frictions. First one is static friction. Second one is sliding friction. Third one is rolling friction and fluid friction. Also discuss with in this class. Force of friction. First of all, children, force of friction is the force which opposes the motion of an object over a surface. The force of friction acts between the object and the surface. Children, friction example, a ball rolling on ground gradually slows down and comes to rest due to force of friction between the ball and the ground. If we stop pedaling a bicycle, it gradually slows down and comes to a stop due to force of friction between the wheel and the road. Observe the diagram. The object applied pushing force, motion of the direction, and the object direction of the friction. Students, observe the diagram. Next, factors affecting friction. Friction depends upon two factors. They are nature of the surfaces in contact, the smoothness of the surfaces. Friction mainly depends upon smoothness of the surface, and the second one is how hard the surfaces press together. Friction is less on a smooth surfaces. Given examples, children, given two example, understand the and observe two examples. The object is moving is one place to another place, smooth surfaces, and the object is moving one place to another places, rough surfaces. Students, observe two diagrams. The object moving in two surfaces. In which diagram the object is moving fast and the object is moving slow? Observe these examples. Friction is more the surfaces depend upon the surfaces. Rough surfaces, the object is slow moving. Smooth surfaces, the object is moving fast. And next one, pressed harder. Friction is less if the surfaces not pressed harder. Causes of friction. Friction is caused due to the interlocking of irregularities between the two surfaces in contact. Smooth surfaces have minute irregularities between the two surfaces. Rough surfaces have larger irregularities between the two surfaces. So, force of friction is more if the surfaces are rough. Types of friction and the next topic, children. This is main important in this lesson. There are three main types of friction. They are static friction, sliding friction, and rolling friction. First definition, static friction. Static friction is the friction exerted on a object at rest. Object is rest position is also, that's the friction is static friction, children. And next one, sliding friction. Sliding friction is the friction exerted when an object slides over surface. And next one, rolling friction is the friction exerted when an object rolls over surface. Sliding friction is slightly less than static friction. Rolling friction definition, children. Rolling friction is less than sliding friction and static friction. Children, observe the given diagram. Three frictions examples are there in this diagram. Rolling friction example, static friction example, and also sliding friction example. The boy and the next one, friction is sometimes useful. Friction is useful for many of daily activities. Friction between the feet and the ground helps us to walk on the ground. It is possible to write with a pen or pencil on a paper due to friction between the pen or pencil and the paper. It is possible to write on a blackboard due to the friction between the chalk and blackboard. Friction between the tires and the road helps automobiles to move on roads. Friction between the bricks in the construction of buildings. Observe given diagrams. Friction is sometimes undesirable. How to undesirable? Undesirable. Soles of shoes wear out due to friction. And the next one, tires of bicycles and automobiles wear out due to friction. Steps of staircases and foot over bridges in railway stations wear out due to friction. Knives and knives and razors lost their sharp edges due to friction. Friction uh, sharp friction is high and sharp edges, and the knife is reverse, that's the friction is low. Knife is useful in our houses. Next one, increasing friction. Friction can be increased by increasing the roughness of the surfaces in contact. Increasing friction examples children. And first one, the source of shoes are grooved to have a better grip on the floor. And the tires of vehicles are treated to increase the grip on the road. The brake pads of vehicles are rough to stop moving vehicles when the brakes are applied. Gymnasts apply some coarse substance on their hands for a better grip. These are increasing friction examples. And the next one, increasing children observe the diagram increasing friction. First example, better grip swoosh. In our day-to-day life, you walk to use slippers. Bottom of the students observe the bottom of slippers, some holes use better grip on the floor. You walk easily in a observe any vehicle uses tires. Tires also some have holes every tire shoes holes is better grip on the road. The vehicle is moving, shoes is walking, shoes used walk to better grip. Next, reducing friction. Friction can be reduced by using lubricants like powders or oils and grease, using rollers or wheels, using ball bearings. We sprinkle powder on a carom board to reduce friction. Oil or grease is applied between moving parts of machines to reduce friction. Rollers are used in luggage bags to reduce friction. Wheels are used in vehicles to reduce friction. Children, these reduce friction are in observe day to day life. Lubricants or roller bags, wheels, oil or grease used in so many missions, so many objects are used. These reducing frictions. Ball bearings are used in ceiling fans, bicycles and vehicles to reduce friction. Observe, observe the diagrams. Carom board. Play carom board. Children, we play carom boards. With powder or without powder, you use easily. You play carom board without powder. You don't play easily carom board. With use powder is used. We play carom board very easily. Roller bags. Children, roller bags are used each and every house used roller bags. Next one, fluid and next one and last one is also discussed with children, fluid friction. What is fluids? What is first of all what is fluid? Fluid means liquids. Gaseous objects also the force of Next one. Fish. In water is also liquids. Birds flying is also in gas state. Aeroplanes and spacecrafts have streamlined body to reduce fluid friction. Aeroplanes moved in gas state. Fishes living in water, that is liquid state. Birds flying is also gas state. These are the children.